So we are getting ready to start patching ceilings. This is the mixing of the mud, replacing of damaged sheetrock from ceilings right throughout the house. As you see, we have replaced all the sheetrocks completely right through. We'll go through the other section and show you also.
Garage door 2.
Also right up there, the corner of the ceiling. We're only at this section. And right now we are about to start mudding. Choose Watson's Paint Company for all your interior, exterior sheetrock replacement or painting. We'll be happy to give you a quotation and get it done for you. We do appreciate all the business. Thank you so much.